Recipes of shaved ice Milo. Ingredients: 150 grams milk Milo powder, 5 sachets sweet condensed milk white, 8 grams of chocolate powder, 10 to 25 milliliters of warm water, shaved ice. Materials for topping: Milo cereal, Choco Crunch. How to make milk sauce. Mix milk Milo powder, sweetened condensed milk and chocolate powder. Then mixer with low speed until well blended. Then enter the warm water bit by bit until the desired thickness. Place shaved ice that has been clenched into a serving bowl. Then give the sauce, and give topping. Shaved ice Milo is ready to serve.